Okay, students, conversation means talk or discussion with more than two people. Okay, conversation means एक दूसरे से बातचीत करना है. Okay, in previous class we have learned what is your name. Okay, what is your name? आपको क्या बोलना है? My name is Aman. My name is Julia. Okay, who are you? Who are you, student? I am a boy. I am a girl. Okay, how old are you? How old are you? I am 3 years old. I am 4 years old. Okay, students, today we are going to learn in which class do you study. Okay, आपको कोई भी कौन सा क्लास में पढ़ते हैं पूछने के टाइम क्या बोलना है? I study in nursery. I study in nursery. Okay, in which class do you study? Students, tell me. I study in nursery. In which school do you study? Students, in which school do you study? I study in Holy Faith Higher Secondary School. One more time. Holy Faith Higher Secondary School. Okay. Students, who is the principal of your school? Who is the principal of your school? आपका स्कूल का प्रधान अध्यापिका कौन है? कौन है? Yes, Mrs. Nisha Jacob is the principal of our school. कैसे बोलना है? Mrs. Nisha Jacob is the principal of our school. Mrs. Nisha Jacob is the principal of our school. Okay, हमारा स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल मैम का नाम? Yes, tell me. Mrs. Nisha Jacob is the principal of our school. Okay, students, one more time. In which class do you study? Yes, I study in nursery. I study in nursery. Okay, in which school do you study? Yes, I study in Holy Faith Higher Secondary School. Okay, who is the principal of your school? Yes, Mrs. Nisha Jacob